so it looks hopefully better than that. Try that one again. Why am I not?
How's he going all the way?
No, Travis.
All right, that one looks better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you get the idea, right? Okay, now you kind of have to ignore this green one, the one that we did in green. Just ignore it for a minute and let's work with this one that we have just graphed. So this is my new boundary line. I still need to pick a point to see if it works or not. So I'm still going to use 0, 0. Okay, so now remember on this one, what was my equation?
X minus 2y.
Well, after I got it in slope intercept form.
Y is greater than 1/2 x minus 2.
Okay, so I'm going to drop in my 0, 0 again. So I get 0 is greater than, what's 1/2 times 0?
0.
0 minus 2. So I end up with 0 is greater than -2. Is that a true statement?
Yes.
Okay, so looking at this line, I tested this point. If this is true, I'm going to shade on this side. Now it looks messy, but can you see where the two colors are?
Yeah.
Okay, so does that mean that if I pick a point out of this double area, this double colored area, those points then are solutions? Are these points solutions for the system?
No.
Down here?
No.
No. Okay, now they are solutions for one of the inequalities, but not both. Same with this here. Down here, this green section, these are solutions for one of the inequality, not both. So my solution area is actually right here. Okay, so I'm not going to make you do this, but just visually so that you guys can see it. This part and this part right here are not solutions. My solution region is right here. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so think about what I just did. I graphed, tested a point, found my solution area. Graphed on top of the other one, tested a point, found my solution area. Where the two colors overlap is solutions. Okay, are you with me? Does that make sense? Okay,
Yeah.
let's do another one. Now, for your sake, just so that you know, you don't need to go back and erase those parts that aren't. Here's what I would like you guys to do so that I know that you know what the solution area is. Can you do this for me? Take one of your colors. Whoops, not that. Don't do that. Take one of your colors. Not that either. Take one of your colors and can you... Hang on. Let me try again. Okay, here we go. I want you to take your colors and kind of circle that region for me. This is it, Mrs. Youngman. I get it. I get this is my solution area. Okay? So I don't want to make you go back and erase, especially colored pencils. That's kind of a pain. But at least prove to me that you get where the solution area is by making a circle around it. Now, we know that the answers continue on out. You're just giving me the idea that you understand the concept. Okay? Chad, question?
I just wrote like solution over in the middle, like you can read it really good.
Somehow just let me know that you got it. Okay? Yeah. All right. We ready? Let's do the next one. So I'm going to clear this page. Let's do the second one, and then you should be good to go. First of all, what's the first thing I need to do? Perfect. You do it, I'll do it. We'll see if we get the same thing. the same thing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Who's not caught up with me yet? Catch up.
Casey, I can't see
They
you.
didn't mix it.
Caught up? Charlie, tell me when you're ready. Okay. All right, now I'm going to graph this one. So, what's my y-intercept?
0, 3.
0, 3.
Yeah.
What's my slope?
Negative 1 over 1.
Okay, so down 1 to the right 1. Looks like that, correct?
Correct.
Dashed or solid?
Solid.
They,
Which
No,
one is
dash.
it?
Dash.
say dash.
Dash. What it says.
Dash.
I don't know if I can do that. Why can't I rotate that?
I actually made a solid line. I'll just use the eraser and make dashes.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Okay.
Wait, you're supposed to extend the line all the way.
Okay, what are we going to do now? Brittany,
Test a point.
what point do you want to test, Brittany?
0, 0.
Absolutely, because it makes life easy on us, doesn't it? So this is our test point.
Still looks like sweets.
Okay, when I test that point, tell me what is our inequality. Y is,
Y equals.
I don't have it in front of me, you do.
Negative x plus 3.
Plus 3, negative x plus 3.
Okay? All right, so I'm going to test. I'm going to put in 0 for y and 0 for x. And I end up with 0 is less than 3. Is that a true statement?
Yeah.
So what do I need to do?
Shade and
Straight
side.
in the side.
That has 0, 0, right? Okay? I'm halfway done. Go back to the problem. Okay, this one we're going to do in green. This one's nice. Why do we like this one?
Y is
Because it's already like.
Y is by itself, so it's already in
Slope
slope-intercept form. Okay? What is my y-intercept? Anybody?
0, negative
What is my slope? Anybody?
3 over 1.
Everyone.
Okay, let's graph it. So this one's in green, or your different color. What is my y-intercept again?
0, negative 2.
And what is my slope?
3,
Okay, so I'm going to go up 3 over 1.
Yes.
And again, make several points to make it nice. Dashed or solid?
solid.
Brittany says this one's solid. See if I can get this one. So it looks like that. And again, it's messy. You just have to ignore that one that you've already graphed. What point am I testing?
0,
0,
0.
0.
Try 0, 0. So again, tell me what my inequality was. Y is
Less.
Greater or equal to 3x minus
Yeah.
3x what?
minus 2.
Okay, so I'm putting in my 0 for y. I'm putting in my 0 for x. So I end up with 0 is greater than or equal to 3 times 0 is,
0.
then 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 2?
Greater than.
It's greater than, so that is true again, which means looking at this line right here, I'm going to shade this side.
Just where we use our other color.
Yes.
Grade that. Shape the hole over there.
Okay? Now, you guys, I can go back and erase easily. If it's just red, is it solutions?
No.
No.
So those would not be part of the solution. If it's just green, is it solutions?
No.
So so it's just this area that's double shaded. For you guys, so you don't have to go back and erase, you're going to show Mrs. Youngman that you get it. It's right here.
Right here, Miss Youngman.
Okay? You know what you're doing now?
Yeah.
Okay? So you are going to do page 430, 30 through 37. So there's not that many problems, but obviously it's kind of double the work, right? Because you have to graph. All right. That's it.